फ़िलहाल हम लोग आमबड़ी में आए हुए हैं और यहाँ पर हम आपको सबसे पहले दिखा दें कि डेली वर्ल्ड पब्लिक स्कूल सिलीगुड़ी, यहाँ पे आज इसकी नई आउटलेट जो है वो खुली हुई है आमबड़ी में। और इसी की एक मेगा कवरेज दिखाने के लिए फ़िलहाल हम लोग एसके लाइव की टीम यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं। प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस है और डेली वर्ल्ड पब्लिक स्कूल जो है वो सिलीगुड़ी के डॉन बॉस्को मोड़ पर है, वो सभी आप लोग जानते ही हैं यहाँ पर। लेकिन दूसरा आउटलेट जो है वो यहाँ पर आज खुला हुआ है। तो यहाँ के जो चेयरपर्सन है, जो प्रिंसिपल है, उनसे हम जानेंगे कि उनका इस पूरे विषय पर क्या कहना है। साथ ही साथ यहाँ पर हम आपको घुमा के दिखाएंगे कि यहाँ की एम्बियंस क्या है और साथ ही साथ यहाँ की पूरी तस्वीर जो है वो आज हम आपको एसके लाइव के जरिए दिखाएंगे।
Let me first introduce the dignitaries present in the dais today. First, let me introduce the man behind this mega project, who is also our chairman, Mr. Dilip Sharma. We have with us our vice chairperson, Mrs. Babita Sharma. Director Principal of Delhi World Public School, Mr. S.P. Das. CEO, Mr. Harshit Chaudhary. Life member of Delhi World Foundation, Ms. Radhika Sharma. And myself, Mrs. Shilpa Chaudhary, Headmistress of Delhi World. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome all the press members who are present here with us. Today we have gathered here to make some special announcement, and I would request our chairman sir to chair the proceeding.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, people sitting on the dais, all the print media and the electronic media. Let me, before I make a official announcement, I would like to brief you of something what has happened with us along last year, since March. जब से पैंडेमिक हुआ है हमारे मार्च में, पिछले मार्च में लॉकडाउन में, और आज तक हर एक पेरेंट सभी सेक्टर में पूरी दुनिया में इकोनॉमिकली हिट हुए हैं, चाहे वो कोई भी सेक्टर में हो, बिजनेस सेक्टर में हो, एजुकेशन सेक्टर में हो, कोई भी सेक्टर में हो। लेकिन मैं एक स्कूल का चेयरमैन होने के से पहले एक पेरेंट हूँ और मैं आप लोग के थ्रू, जो भी मेरे को आज लाइव सुन रहे हैं, आप लोग के पावर ऑफ मीडिया, पावर ऑफ प्रेस, आप लोग के थ्रू से उन तक मैं पहुंचना चाहता हूं जो इस सफरिंग में हम जैसे भागीदार हुए हैं। किसी का सैलरी कट हुआ है, कोई बहुत मुश्किल से अपना घर चला रहे हैं, किसी का जॉब चला गया, बहुत गरीब और अजीब सिचुएशन में जो किसी ने सोचा भी नहीं था। ये कोई जानबूझ के नहीं हुआ है। दिस इज़ एक्ट ऑफ गॉड विच इज़ नॉट इन आवर हैंड्स। बट फिर भी इन स्पाइट ऑफ ऑल दिस, फिर भी हम लोग कुछ कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि बीइंग अ पार्ट एंड मेंबर ऑफ द सोसाइटी, हम एक एजुकेशन स्कूल लेकर के आ रहे हैं। एजुकेशन सोसाइटी में कुछ कर सकते हैं। अगर हम कुछ कर सकते हैं तो हम हर एक इंडिविजुअल का हक बनता है हम करें। इन स्पाइट ऑफ हम लोग किसी पेरेंट्स के ऊपर में, हर एक पेरेंट इंडिविजुअली सक्षम है पूरा फीस देने के लिए, पूरा सब कुछ देने के लिए। लेकिन ये पेंडेमिक के कारण में मेरे को लगता है कि अभी 1-1.5 साल और लग जाएगा इकोनॉमिकली हर एक पेरेंट्स को रिवाइव करने के लिए। कोई भी ऐसा एक पेरेंट नहीं है कि अपने बच्चे को नहीं पढ़ा सकता है, लेकिन सब एक अजीब और गरीब सिचुएशन से गुजर रहे हैं। और इस दौरान हर स्कूल में अभी एक एडमिशन का दौर चल रहा है। हर पेरेंट्स के दिमाग में एक ही चीज़ चल रही है। एवरीबडी इज ऑल आर थिंकिंग अबाउट द सेम वन थिंग, एंड दैट इज़ एडमिशन फीस। क्या होगा, मैं बच्चे को कैसे पढ़ाऊँ? वो पढ़ा देंगे, लेकिन एक स्ट्रेस रहता है माइंड में। तो बिफोर मेकिंग दिस अनाउंसमेंट, आई एम बीइंग विद ऑल द पेरेंट्स, उनके कंधे से कंधे में साथ मिला कर के खड़े रहकर मैं एक अनाउंसमेंट करने जा रहा हूँ। हम लोग का ये यूनानिमस मैनेजमेंट का अनाउंसमेंट है, विच आई वांट टू मेक एवरी पीपल ऑफ सिलीगुड़ी एंड नियर बाय रीजन्स नो अबाउट इट, इज दैट फॉर द सेशन 2021-22 we are waiving off 100% admission fees. 100% admission fees का मतलब है no admission fees, no annual fees and no development fees. Zero admission fees. কাকেও admission জন্য একটা টাকাও দিতে হবে না। That is only we can as a human being come forward and contribute to the society. This is just the beginning. We are a new school coming up, and this is the first announcement from my side in the new year which I could offer to the parents, and there are many more announcements to come. And I want to once again say that I want to change the education and take education at a different level. Mind you, parents, keeping our 100% commitment to the class and whatever commitment we have given to our academic quality will not be compromised. Though we are waiving off everything, but the quality of anything will not be compromised at any point of time. Thank you.
Now I would request that our Director Principal, Mr. S.K. Das, to say a few words.
Good afternoon, everybody. Dignitaries on the dais and the print and the electronic media that have taken time off to be here this afternoon on this very special day. As you all have heard, our chairman has announced a very special offer. We consider it a mega offer in which he has made it very, very clear that for this academic year, our school has already started running. It has finished one academic year. For the coming academic year, that is 2021-22, our chairman, sir, keeping the pandemic in mind, how all the parents have been economically hit. He has been magnanimous enough, large-hearted and generous enough to waive off the admission fees, the annual fees and the development fees, making it absolutely zero for all prospective, desirous parents who would like to put their wards into such a upcoming modern school like Delhi World Public School, Siliguri. I'm sure this will give relief to many parents who were dreaming of putting their children in a school of this stature, where all facilities are being extended to each and every child who will be joining here. People of Siliguri think that this is a school only for rich people. I, as a director principal, can vouch for it. It is affordable for everyone. Those today who want to give good education to the children, I'm sure they are ready to spend for the children. One can earn, but when it comes to spending for children, for the right education, parents, good parents do not hesitate. And today, we know we are in the 21st century. And in 21st century, education has undergone a lot of transformation. Education is not what it was even 10 years ago. The task of a modern educator is not to cut down jungles, but to irrigate deserts. And in that, schools play an important role. The concept of schooling has also changed. Schools are no longer places where we can force everything on our children. उनके ऊपर हम लोग दबाव जो डालते हैं ये पुराने स्कूलिंग सिस्टम्स का स्टाइल्स है, मगर मॉडर्न स्कूल when a child enters the ambience, और आप देख सकते हैं ये स्कूल का क्या पोर्टल्स है, क्या ब्यूटीफुल ambience है. Moment the children enter into the school, they start breathing freedom, independence. We give them absolute freedom because it is freedom that would give or ignite creativity in them. हम लोग यहाँ पर हमारे जो टीचिंग स्टाइल्स, जो पेडागॉजी है, it's totally different. Teacher, parents have to see to believe it. There will be no pressure on studies. We will teach less for our children to learn more. यही हमारा सबसे बड़ा important ये चीज रहेगा दिल्ली वंडर वर्ल्ड, दिल्ली वर्ल्ड पब्लिक स्कूल और हमारे जो दूसरे स्कूल भी आए in the city, दिल्ली वंडर वर्ल्ड. We will teach less for our children to learn more, and for them to learn more, we will ignite the curiosity. Because as the saying goes, curiosity is the engine of achievement. सबसे बड़ा चीज हुआ है कि बच्चों में वो उत्साह उत्पन्न करना, to arouse that in them. और ये बच्चों में हम कैसा कर सकते हैं? उनको फ्रीडम देके माहौल में फ्रीडम का माहौल देना चाहिए. You know, today what happened is that we use lot of negative methods in schools, because of which the children get discouraged. But those things are changing. The more you encourage our students, the more you give them scope, the more they will learn better. And you know, today's children, they are creators, they are innovators, they are makers, they are producers. ये हर एक बच्चे में है. तो हम हमारे बच्चों में दबाव नहीं डालेंगे. और ये सब हम हमारे दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल सिलीगुड़ी,
दिल्ली वर्ल्ड
एंड दिल्ली वर्ल्ड पब्लिक स्कूल सिलीगुड़ी एंड दिल्ली वंडर वर्ल्ड सिलीगुड़ी, ये दोनों स्कूल में we are going to implement it in a very, very powerful way. It has already started, though we have been having online classes. We hope that schools will start physically very soon, and we will be able to extend all the best in academics in these two schools. And I'm sure our desirous parents, our ambitious aspirant parents, they'll definitely put their wards in this school. Thank you.
Now I would request our CEO, Sir, Mr. Harshit Chakwani, to say a few words.
Well, good afternoon, everybody. As our Chairman Sir and Director Principal have already addressed all of you regarding the theme which we are coming as a mega offer, that's the zero admission fee. I just have a small message for all the people and for the wards nearby and for the state, that we are living in a world of immense transformation. Let us not remain here spectators, sheltered and cocooned. We should rise above everything and be an active member of the society which we are living part. And for being an active member, we have to self-discover ourselves. Lot of parents, they have went through a lot of hardships, lot of troubles, be it financially, personally, mentally, socially and other things. There have been a lot of things across the country after the NP has come up and all the school managements which the decisions they have taken. And irrespective of whatever any school, they have taken a decision, we respect them, the court's order and everything. But in order to highlight our role which we are playing, we as a school, when I joined it, we consider it as a temple of learning. And unbiased to whatever thing, we are open to everybody. And in order to reach out to all the parents, we are coming up with a zero attrition fee as a gesture, as a reconsideration from the management that send your children here. Come see to believe has always been our slogan of the management. So that's a small message to all the parents that come, believe, look up to our pedagogy and the values, and not just seeing the infrastructure. It's a celebrity school, but as our principal said, it's an academic institution, and where in today's time, as per the NEP, we get holistic development. Not just a child gets best of academics, but the co-curricular as well. And most importantly, relating to the society. So this was a small gesture from our side, and we believe through the power of media, this message will reach to each and every home so that we think twice and we go ahead about it. Thank you.
You can have some questions.
Yeah.
So in case any questions are there, I mean, you can ask us the questions.
Yeah, myself Prashant from Sikkim Express.
Yes, sir.
I think I'm audible.
Okay, fine.
First of all, congratulations for the beautiful school. And the announcement you made will be a great relief for the parents who wants to get their boys in the school. But the concern about pandemic situations, how do you inspire them about the healthy learning in the school?
Regarding health, your question was regarding health. We will only open our school after the government will announce us to open. And government will only announce when everything is safe. Till then, we are online. And special care will be taken because we'll have social distancing in our school. We have enough classrooms. You can go through our school building. And enough classrooms for students. We can accommodate around 2,000 students just now, and you can have a look. We'll have all these measures till the COVID goes out. And first of all, when the government announces the opening of schools, they will take care of all the things.
And my next question is, like you said, initially no large fees will be taken, like annual fees or any sort of things. So in near future or in the next semester, will it be added?
No, this admission fees is free. Only tuition fees they have to pay, monthly tuition fees. This admission fee is free for first 600 students only.
Okay. So first come, first serve basis.
Yes, absolutely.
First 600 students only we are giving free admission fees.
So they have to register online, or they have to come physically?
No, they have to, for admission they have to come physically. They can admit online also. We have through our website. They can go through our website. Everything is in our website. Bank details are in our website. Everything, the fee structure is in our website. You can just visit our website. The admission, only 3 months tuition fees. April, May, June tuition fees. 2,000 rupees prospectus, and 500 rupees some scholarship test ka ek fees hai. No, nominal. It's within 15,000 rupees. Around 15 or 17,000 rupees you take admission. And that also you are paying tuition fees April, May, June. We are not charging you anything. Because online classes are on. So
we are not giving the services of buses, and we are not charging for anything else.
Now, thing is that we are not giving services of buses, right? Many schools across India I have seen, and I have gone through, that the students have not even climbed the bus, but the bus charges have been asked for, demanded, and paid, compelled parents to pay the bus fees. We are not charging any bus fees, transportation fees, nothing, zero. When the school will open physically, only then the parents will have to pay the transportation fees. Without availing transport, nobody is going to pay transportation fees. This transportation fees, which has been charged across the country in many schools, is very, very disheartening and very painful for the parents, and who have really been hurt, and they have been suffering. And I am very sorry that the management thinks in some ways. No, not yet. Let me tell you, it's a good question. We are not planning to come in Sikkim, but let me tell you about the future of this campus. We are sitting on a 30-acre campus, and we are planning to for a college from PG to PG. And we will, so that we don't have to send students outside Siliguri to study for after class 12, as many parents don't want to actually. They are compelled to send students to outside Siliguri, to Dehradun, Mussoorie, Pilani, wherever. Like, I am a parent also. My daughter is pursuing BBA from Dehradun. I didn't want, if there was a good college with all the facilities. And we will take care of one more thing, that is security. Security will be of high class, because one thing which all the schools management doesn't want, but there are substances which are not very acknowledged by the parents also. They enter the school campus, unwanted things, which is into the young generation. Today, whatever the malls in Sevak Road, they are filled up with students. These malls are run by students. These bars which has come up, this is something which is a very disheartening. We will try to take them very far from that. We will educate them in such a way that they will not feel like going in there. They will be so much occupied over in the school, with games, with curricular activities, with academics, that they will not have any time. They will just go home and say, we want food, give us time to sleep. They will be with the parents.
Mr. Sama, my last question is, like, we're seeing a stand is over there, when you have tie-up with the
Yeah.
So what about tie-ups? Will they come physically in a year or something?
Yes, we have tie-ups with Dhoni, Baichung Bhutia, Madhuri Dixit and Shankar Mahadevan. We have nominal charges, this is not compulsory. For Madhuri Dixit, you have to pay only rupees 800. In Madhuri Dixit, we will have a special place where the coaches will come, the teachers will come, choreographers will come from Madhuri Dixit.
Academy.
They will issue the certificate to the child. It is nothing to be connected with the school. A child who is a good dancer, Madhuri Dixit RMN movies will issue certificate. Madhuri Dixit Academy will issue certificate to the child, and they will have a chance to become a good dancer, and they will get chance in Bollywood, wherever.
Even like the students will get training from the
Direct.
Yes.
They are not connected with the schools.
Because many of the schools, they just paste the posters about the celebrities and they don't come.
No. We have a written tie-up. We have a written tie-up with all these academies, and they will be available in the school. Those who want to take special classes, they can avail this facility. Why we are giving this facility, that also I want to add one more point. Because after school, every parent wants their child to do something, either dancing, singing, play cricket or football. So what they do, they accompany the child to the classes. That kills time of the parent and the child also. Parents especially. 2 hours is gone. Half an hour to take them to the place where they are taught, and half an hour to come back. Those time actually, today I think the most valuable thing is time. It's more valuable than money. And we are saving time for the parents, peace of mind for the parents. I am a parent, I want to give peace of mind to the parents. That is my vision, and my vision is a bit different. This is a profession which you have to give back to the society. If you don't take part in the society, what is the use of running a school? हम लोग का अभी फ़िलहाल 2000 बच्चे का हम लोग एडमिशन ले सकते हैं, लेकिन आने वाले 2 साल में 3 साल में 6000 बच्चे की कैपेसिटी होगी और 2500 बोर्डर्स कैंपस में होंगे, जिसमें से 1500 लड़के होंगे, 1000 लड़कियां होंगी। अभी हम लोग 300 बोर्डर्स कैपेसिटी हम लोग की रेडी है, तैयार है इस सेशन के लिए जी। Any more questions, please?
You can answer him. We are not deciding to go Sikkim, but we want Sikkim to come over here because as
and as my friend reporter asked, we are opening a branch in Sikkim. We are not going to Sikkim, but we want Sikkim to come here. As Baichung Bhutia is also associated, and he has expressed his willingness for his son to take admission over here.
Now, but in Sikkim, like he has become most popular as a politician than as a sports person.
No, he's not a politician. He's a sports person first. We have to remember, he has been a captain of Indian football team. Then only he was, when he became retired, then he was went to politics. When he was playing, he was not in politics.
टीना का घर बनाने का टोटल समाधान बाजार भाव से हमारे यहाँ किफायतीदा घर, दुकान, मकान, गोदाम बनाने के लिए टीना, प्रोफाइल सीट, रंगीन टीना, पाइप आदि सामान की नई दुकान टीना लगाने के लिए मिस्त्री भी हमारे यहाँ है उपलब्ध। महावीर स्टील, 3rd माइल वेगा मॉल के सामने, चौधरी कंपाउंड।
कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर 9709 970981।
खुट्टा सुनिनु भएको छ, मलाई चाहिँ कोल्ड कफ भएको थियो हो, र मलाई यहाँको दबाईले सुट गर्यो, म एकदमै जाती हुँदैछ।
तपाईको थाइरोइड कस्तो भयो?
एकदमै राम्रो भयो।
मेरो चाहिँ यो ब्याक पेन हुन्थ्यो पुरा, यो साइड पेन हुन्थ्यो कि यो ब्याकमा निकै सन्चो भएको थियो।
अहिले चाहिँ धेरै सन्चो छ।
खुट्टा घुँडाहरू, खुट्टा दुख्ने, हातहरू दुख्ने त्यो अहिले धेरै कम्ती भयो।
तपाईलाई ब्याक पेनहरु सन्चो भयो अहिले?
हाम्रो ठेगाना छ सेन्टर पोइन्ट बिल्डिङ, 1st फ्लोर, HD लामा रोड, अपोजिट टु ग्रान्ड प्लाजा शपिङ कम्प्लेक्स, जनता लज, दार्जिलिङ। सम्पर्क नम्बर छ 9641995791 अनि 7001155412।